Hello everyone, as you know that I am doing science and technology and biodiversity previous year questions, which is nothing but from the civil services examinations. Till last class I have completed the questions of till 1985 1984. Okay, today we are going to see the questions of 1984. Okay, see till 1984 I was doing into the parts. Okay, but this year, from this year onwards, I will complete the 1 year question in one video itself. Or if there is less number of question in 1 year, then I will consider 2 to 3 years. Okay, so let's see the questions of 1985. This is about myself. Okay, the genetic code can be translated through an immediate adopter molecules by tRNA, mRNA, ATP, ADP. ठीक है, जो जेनेटिक कोड होते हैं they can be translated through an immediate adopted molecules by mRNA. Okay, so the answer is B. Next, mesons are found in X-ray, cosmic rays, phrase, none of these. So this is actually mesons are found in cosmic rays. Okay, so the answer is B. Next, bile is secreted by liver, gallbladder, kidney, pancreas. See, bile is secreted by liver. Okay, so the answer is E. Next question. Okay, match the following. हमें मैच कराना कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट, प्रोटीन, अमीनो एसिड. Okay, with in constitute oil, ghee, butter, oil seed. Okay, animal, vegetable tissues, excellent source of energy that can constitute starch. In the product protein, in product of protein hydrolysis. Okay, so that we have to match. See, जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट होता है, it is nothing but it is an excellent source of energy, constitute starch. Okay, yeah. Then जो हमारा B होता है fat is nothing but it has to match with the first, that घी. Okay, मोटे हो जाते हैं हम लोग. It constitutes oil, ghee, butter, oil seeds. Okay, then third protein, it is animal, vegetable tissues. Okay, and fourth हमारा amino acid is in the product of protein hydrolysis. So the answer is A. Okay. Next, Ranikhet is a disease found in poultry, cows, sheep, dog. I think this question is repeating. In the previous lectures also we have seen this question. देखिए, जो रानीखेत disease होता है, it found in poultry. Okay, so the answer is A. Next, what is the tissue culture? Preparation of fragments of the cell of organism for biochemical examination. Japanese culture. Name given to a special type of surgery. None of these. So tissue culture. See, the tissue culture is nothing but it is preparation of fragments of cells of organism for biochemical examination. Okay, so the answer is A. Next, black hole is a magnetic dark cavity, name of a star, a hole in the moon, a dying star. See, this question is came in 1985, but I have seen this same question in the recent exam as well. Okay, so this type of question is universal kind of question. You can find any type. So black hole is nothing but it is a dying star. Next, genetic code is made up by the 4-letter alphabet forming the pair. Okay, so these are the pairs. Okay, you can see that. See, so genetic code is made up by the 4-letter alphabet forming the pairs AT, TA, CG, GC. Okay, बस उसका इंटरचेंज कर देना है. Okay, so the answer is D. Next, acupuncture, okay, is a medicinal system of treatment prominently used in China, in which herbs are used for the pain relief, drugs are used for pain relief, spacer needles are inserted into particular parts of body for the relief, electric shock are applied for the relief of pain. See, this is nothing but is actually a special kind of needles are inserted into particular parts of the body for relief. Sorry. Okay, so the answer is C. Next, sex chromosomes transmits which of the following disease? Myopia, color blindness, long sightedness, night blindness. See, by sex chromosomes, it is actually color blindness can be transmitted, which transmitted through it can transmitted the color blindness. Next, ball bearing are used to reduce the friction by reducing the area of contact with the use of metallic balls, increasing the area of contact with the use of metallic balls, applying lubricants in the ball used. None of these. Okay, so those who are from mechanical engineering background, you can easily answer this question. So this is actually a ball bearing is used to reduce friction by reducing the area of contact with the use of metallic balls. Okay, so the answer is A. Next, microphones. Microphone is a device in which sound wave are converted into electrical energy and then reconverted into sound after transmission. Okay, sound waves are directly transmitted, electrical energy is converted into sound wave directly. Amplification is not required at all. See, the microphone is a device in which the sound waves are converted into electrical energy and then reconverted into sound after transmission. So the answer is A. Next, which of the following is a weed killer? Insecticide, methyl salicylate, herbicide, sorry, none of these. So it is actually weed killer is something, it's herbicides. So the answer is C. Next, ice cubes are floating in a glass of water. When the ice cubes melt, the water level in the glass. देखिए ये क्वेश्चन हम लोग इससे पहले देख चुके हैं, कर चुके हैं. If you have not watched the previous video, please go through that. There is a lot of questions which are repeating. Okay, will first increase and then start decreasing. Will first decrease and start increasing. Will remains unchanged. Will increase. देखिए, it will actually remain unchanged. देखिए इसमें होता क्या कि जो आइस मान लेते हैं हम लोग आइस को पानी में डाले हुए हैं तो वो उसको वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाई कर लेगा ना, जितना हम उसमें डालेंगे वो डिस्प्लेस हो जाएगा. ठीक है, वहाँ से वाटर डिस्प्लेस हो जाएगा. फिर जैसे मान लो वो मेल्ट होते जा रहा है, तो जो वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाई किया उसको फिल करता जाएगा, तो उसका वाटर लेवल कहाँ वो it is not going to increase and is not going to decrease. Okay, so it will remain unchanged. So the answer is C. Next, Ursa mirror is the name of Iceland, the name of satellite, a group of stars that form the Little Dipper in most northern constellation, the name of a disease in USA. See, Ursa minor is nothing but मैंने mirror पिछली बार पढ़ा था पिछले स्लाइड में, it is actually minor. Okay, a group of stars that form the Little Dipper in the most northern constellation. Okay, geography का क्वेश्चन है, तो its answer is C. Next, which of the following, I mean आप geography बोलो या science and technology बोलो, उस टाइप वाले क्वेश्चन को आप दोनों चीज़ों में क्लासीफाई कर सकते हो. ओके, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट फॉर टी? अल्कलाइन एंड निकोटीन, अल्कलाइन एंड कैफीन, एसिडिक एंड निकोटीन, एसिडिक एंड कैफीन. देखिए जो टी होता है हमारा, इट इज एक्चुअली अल्कलाइन एंड कैफीन. सो द आंसर इज बी. Next question, which of the following pair is not correct? Okay, not correct they are asking. Seismic microwave earthquake, or anemometer speed of the wind, hydrometer water vapor content of the atmosphere, lactometer specific gravity of liquids. Okay, so इसमें not correct पूछा. देखिए lactometer is for for स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी ऑफ लिक्विड, ये चीज़ नहीं होता है. ओके, सेस्मोग्राफ अर्थक्वेक यस, एनीमोमीटर स्पीड ऑफ विंड यस, हाइड्रोमीटर वाटर वेपर कंटेंट ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर, ये तीनों करेक्ट है एंड दिस इज रॉन्ग. देखिए अभी मैं बहुत जल्द आपके लिए साइंस की सीरीज़ लेके आने वाला हूँ. उसमें मैं थियरी और जो क्वेश्चन से प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन जैसे यूपीएससी के क्वेश्चन हुए या फिर स्टेट पीएससी लाइक एमपी पीसीएस, यूपी पीसीएस, बिहार पीसीएस और उत्तराखंड पीसीएस, झारखंड पीसीएस, जितने भी पीसीएस के एग्जाम्स होते हैं इस पर. ओके, तो उसके सारे क्वेश्चन कंबाइंड फॉर्म में इवन मैं टॉपिक वाइज लेके आ रहा हूँ. तो वो पहले फिजिक्स का होगा, केमिस्ट्री होगा, फिर मैथ्स का होगा, नॉट मैथ्स, बायो. ओके, साइंस में तो मैथ्स नहीं आता है, तो उसको आप देख सकते हो. तो उसमें ये सब चीज़ें आपको मिलेंगी. ठीक है, ये मान लेते हैं जब हम फिजिक्स वाला पार्ट देखेंगे तो उसमें किससे क्या चीज़ मेजर करते हैं, दीज थिंग्स यू विल फाइंड दैट. ओके, उस सीरीज़ का ये फ़ायदा है कि आपको एक साथ थ्योरी भी मिलेगा और जो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन है वो भी मिलेंगे, तो आपको अलग अलग देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो एक ही प्लेलिस्ट में रहेगा. सो इट विल बी गुड फॉर यू. सो आई थिंक इफ़ यू आर वॉचिंग दैट, no need to follow any of the book, for especially for the science, that will cover most of thing which is required for the science. Okay, whatever exam you are targeting, whether UPSC or state PSC, for everything it is like complete, you can say the content. Okay, next again match list है. glass, phosphorus, match, sodium chloride, fertilizer, sodium silicate, salt, potassium sulfate. देखिए इसमें जो ग्लास होता है इट इज सोडियम सिलिकेट, मैच फॉस्फोरस, फर्टिलाइजर इट इज potassium sulfate, and salt is NaCl. So the answer is B. ठीक है, अगर आप लास्ट वाला जानते हो NaCl तो उसी से आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. ओके, बाकी सारा एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. यू कैन सी दैट. ओके, फोर्थ इज मैचिंग विद 2, सो नो अदर ऑप्शन इज मैचिंग. ओके, ओनली B इज मैचिंग. सो द आंसर इज B. तो मैच लिस्ट वाला आप इस तरीके से कर सकते हो एलिमिनेशन मेथड यूज करके. नेक्स्ट, दोज who give birth to young one are called viviparous. Some fish lay egg, therefore some fish do not lay egg. Some frogs are fishes. Some frogs are not lay eggs. Some fishes are viviparous. देखिए ये थोड़ा सा रीजनिंग टाइप का क्वेश्चन है. इसका आंसर एक्चुअली some fish do not lay egg. Okay, so the answer is A. Next question. Radio wave travels with a speed of 3 into 10 power 6. ये पावर है ना, ये 10 के 6 होगा, 10 के ऊपर होगा, 7 10 के ऊपर होगा, 8 10 के ऊपर होगा, 9 10 के ऊपर होगा. ओके, so 3 into 10 power 6 meter per second, 3 into 10 power 7 meter per second, 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, 3 into 10 power 9 meter per second. Sorry, it is actually 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, so the answer is C. Next, again we have to match bauxite, monazite, malachite, okay, pitch blende, copper, यूरेनियम, थोरियम, एल्यूमिनियम. देखिए इसमें बॉक्साइड जो होता है, एल्यूमिनियम, मोनेजाइट, थोरियम, malachite is copper, and pitch blende is uranium. Okay, so the answer is C. ये थोड़ा सा टिपिकल क्वेश्चन है, आपको अगर पहले से पता है तो अच्छी बात है. इफ़ यू डोंट नो, अब बस क्वेश्चन से याद कर लो ना. काफ़ी जो फैक्ट वाली चीज़ें हैं उसको क्वेश्चन से भी याद किया जा सकता है. अगर आप एक बार बुक में लेके बैठोगे तो इट विल क्रिएट कन्फ्यूजन विद दैट, इसका क्या था उसका क्या था. सो few things you remember from the questions itself, so that's why we need to go through the previous year questions. We'll get lot of fact from there, and one more thing, when you're watching or reading this previous year question series, see the explanation as well, read the proper explanation. Okay, because in the one explanation you'll find 3-4 more points. So in the exam it might the extra point, from the extra point you can get the questions. So that's why the previous year question, doing previous year question is very, very important. Next, snake bite first affect the nervous system, blood circulation, brain, lungs. देखिए जो snake bite होता है first affect the blood circulation. Okay, so the answer is B. Next, center of gravity of the floating ship lie above the metacenter, lie below the metacenter, coincide with the metacenter, none of these. Okay, देखिए ये तो फ्लूइड का क्वेश्चन है. देखिए होता क्या है, the center of gravity of floating ship is actually lie below the metacenter. ठीक है, इस okay, this is the thing. मैं मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग भी पढ़ाता हूँ, तो वहाँ पे फ्लूइड का जो लेक्चर सीरीज़ है मैंने स्टार्ट किया हुआ है. इफ़ यू वांट, इफ़ यू फ्रॉम मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड, यू जस्ट कमेंट I mean below this lecture, below this lecture, I will give you the detail of that channel as well, so you can follow the mechanical engineering part as well from that channel. Okay, next, which song came to India during Harsa rule? Okay, his main objective was to visit Buddhist shrine. देखिए ये क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली हिस्ट्री का है. मैं जहाँ से भी क्वेश्चंस को उठाया हूँ वहाँ पे दिया हुआ था. तो एनीवे यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन, तो हिस्ट्री भी वहाँ पे आती है. तो मुझे लगा कि यार इसको हटाना नहीं चाहिए, अलग से बनाने की ज़रूरत है. जब मैं बना ही रहा हूँ तो इसी में डाल देता हूँ. सो यू डोंट थिंक लाइक कि मैंने हिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन इसमें डाला हुआ है. एनीवे यू हैव टू स्टडी. ओके, तो आप इसको भी पढ़ लो, इसके साथ में क्या जाता है. सो ओके, दिस इज अजर्सन रीजन क्वेश्चन. देखिए इसमें Huizong came to India during Harsa rule. This is correct. Okay. And his main objective was to visit Buddhist shrine. Yes, this is also correct. आपको पता ना उस टाइम पे हमारे नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी हुआ करती थी जहाँ पे अलग अलग कंट्रीज़ के स्टूडेंट्स आते थे, पढ़ते थे, चाइनीज़ भी आते थे वहाँ पे. सो वहाँ पे वही चीज़ होता है, मतलब जो बुद्धिस्ट के बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ बताया जाता है वहाँ पे. It was very famous, what do you say, university. Recently, when I'm making this video, a few days back, our Prime Minister, he has inaugurated the new campus of this Nalanda University from in the Bihar. So you can just go through the Wikipedia and just read about the Nalanda University. Since it has been inaugurated by our Prime Minister, so it is actually become very very important for the exam point of view. So you please read about Nalanda University. You'll find that there is a lot of teaching related to Buddhas during ancient time. Okay. So answer is A. You know that. Okay. And this is actually correct explanation. इसमें आपको assertion reason वाले में पता होता है कि अगर assertion reason दोनों correct है, reason is the what do you say, correct explanation of assertion. So it is option will be A. और अगर correct explanation नहीं है, दोनों correct है तो B होता है, और अगर A correct है और R गलत है तो C होता है, और vice versa D होता है. Okay. So option मैंने यहाँ पर नहीं दिया हुआ, but if you watch the previous classes, if you are following me, many times I have did this assertion reason questions, so you know that. Okay. So if you don't know, just remember from here itself. Next, photosynthesis and vision are the phenomena of visible light. The visible light is absorbed by small particle containing chlorophyll as well as the retina of eyes. देखिए, this is also, I mean, आपको अगर थोड़ा सा भी photosynthesis के बारे में पता है तो you can easily land A with this answer. I mean, A will be the answer. Okay. देखिए, photosynthesis and vision are phenomena of visible light. Yes. ये एकदम पक्का करेक्ट है. The visible light is absorbed by small particles containing chlorophyll, yes, as well as the retina of eye. Yes, ये भी करेक्ट है, और this is actually correct explanation of assertion. So that's why the answer is A here. Okay, so this is the end of 1985 question. Next class I will come up with the 1986 question. Okay, thank you.